In today's video, I'm going to show you how to duplicate objects in Adobe Illustrator quickly and efficiently. Whether you're designing logos, patterns, social media graphics, or detailed illustrations, duplicating objects is one of the most essential skills you need to master. I'll walk you through the fastest method using the Alt key, and then I'll show you how to repeatedly duplicate objects using a powerful shortcut that saves a ton of time. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Illustrator tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open your Illustrator document and select the object you want to duplicate. You can do this using the Selection tool, which you can activate by pressing V on your keyboard. Click directly on the object, so you see the bounding box appear around it. This confirms the object is selected and ready to be duplicated. Now here's the quickest way to duplicate it. With the object selected, hold down the Alt key on your keyboard. If you're on Mac, this will be the Option key. While holding Alt, click on the object and drag it to a new position on your artboard. As you drag, you'll notice that Illustrator creates a copy instead of moving the original. Once you release your mouse, the duplicated object will be placed exactly where you dropped it. It's that simple. This method is perfect when you want to quickly create copies in different positions. You can even hold Shift while dragging to constrain movement horizontally, vertically, or at 45-degree angles. That helps keep your layout clean and aligned. Now let's look at another powerful method, especially useful when you need evenly spaced duplicates. Select your object again. Instead of dragging freely, go to Object in the top menu, then choose Transform and click on Move. A dialog box will appear where you can specify the exact distance you want the copy to move horizontally or vertically. For example, you can enter 50 pixels in the horizontal field and 0 in the vertical field if you want the copy to move straight across. Instead of clicking OK, click the Copy button. Illustrator will create a duplicate at that exact distance while keeping the original in place. Here's where the real time-saving trick comes in. After using Move and clicking Copy once, you can simply press Ctrl D on your keyboard to repeat the last transformation. On Mac, that's Command D. Every time you press Ctrl D, Illustrator will create another duplicate using the same spacing and direction. This is incredibly useful for creating rows, columns, patterns, or evenly spaced design elements in seconds. You can keep pressing Ctrl D as many times as you need until you have the exact number of duplicates required. This ensures perfect consistency without manually dragging each object. So to quickly recap, select your object, hold Alt or Option, and drag to instantly duplicate. For precise spacing, use Object, Transform, Move, then click Copy. And to repeat that duplication again and again, press Ctrl D. Mastering these two techniques will dramatically speed up your workflow in Illustrator and make your designs more precise and professional. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Illustrator tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.